Hello friends! There are several ways to add cover pages to PDFs. Today we're going to look at how to automatically create cover pages in Adobe Acrobat based on your PDF's existing content and style. We'll also look at how to edit the cover page text and how to remove the cover page if necessary. These steps currently apply to the English language subscription version of Adobe Acrobat Pro and Standard on PC and Mac. These steps don't apply to the web or mobile version of Acrobat. These steps also don't apply to Adobe's free PDF display software, Acrobat Reader. Also note that the cover page tool is AI powered, so credit limits may apply. To begin creating a cover page, first ensure you're signed in to your Adobe account, and then open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Next, select Edit in the global toolbar. When the Edit panel appears, select Generate Cover Page. After a moment, Acrobat will offer a variety of cover designs based on your PDF's content and style. Select the design you want to use, or select Generate More for additional options. After choosing your design, select the Add Cover button. The new cover page should appear as the first page of your PDF. Note that Acrobat generates the cover page text based on the content of your PDF, so it may incorrectly insert a section heading instead of the title. Therefore, you should always review the text before sharing your PDF. To edit the cover page text, select Edit in the global toolbar, and then select the text in the text box that you want to change, and type a replacement text. You can also select specific text, and then use the formatting options in the Edit panel to adjust the font, size, color, emphasis, and spacing. If necessary, use the resizing handles to adjust the size of the text box. In addition, you can select and press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove individual text boxes or graphics. Or select Text in the Edit panel to add additional text. Before we move on, you may have noticed the Do More with Adobe Express option. Adobe Express is a web app that lets you perform advanced design customizations. When you open Adobe Express, a copy of your PDF will be saved in your Adobe Cloud storage. We won't be covering Adobe Express today because its premium features aren't included in all Adobe subscriptions. However, we can walk through Adobe Express in a future tutorial if requested. If you need to remove your cover page later on, select All Tools in the global toolbar, followed by Organize Pages from the Tools list. Next, select the cover page's thumbnail, and then select the Delete icon in the shortcut menu or in the Organize Pages panel. When the dialog box appears, select the OK button to confirm the deletion. The cover page should be removed from your PDF. Select the X to close the Organize Pages panel. And then, as always, remember to save your PDF to save your changes. Now that you've added your cover page, you may want to rearrange or delete some of your PDF pages as shown in this previous Adobe Acrobat tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.